Now from Bengaluru, where Amnesty International India has been booked for sedition and rioting. This is after Azadi slogans were allegedly raised by some participants at a seminar on Kashmir, which had been organized by them on Saturday night. Now, Kashmiri families had been invited to this seminar to tell their stories. An FIR has now been filed based on a complaint by the BJP student wing ABVP that also held protests. Towards the end of that seminar event, some of those who attended raised slogans, some of which referred to calls for Azadi. But Amnesty India defended itself. Its executive director, Akar Patel, said merely organizing an event to defend constitutional values is now being branded anti-India and criminalized. The police were invited and present at the event. The filing of a complaint against us now and the registration of a case of sedition shows a lack of belief in fundamental rights and freedoms in India. Earlier, we spoke to NDTV's Maya Sharma for more details.
Amnesty International says it was a chance for people living in Kashmir to actually talk about any human rights violations they may have faced, any constitutional violations that they may have faced. And they say that they had asked families, Muslim families from Kashmir and also families of Kashmiri Pandits to come and talk about the problems they are facing in terms of human rights. So this function was going on at the United Theological College on Millers Road in the center of the city. And later on, towards the end of the program, people began raising slogans. And while Amnesty International does distance itself from any of the views, the slogans raised, which may have been considered anti-national by the people who actually came there, the ABVP, the student wing, the right-wing student wing actually came across and began challenging the holding of that program, began raising slogans. And the ABVP are the ones who have actually gone to the police and made a complaint saying that this was kind of anti-national event which was taking place.